QUBT stock analysis and QUBT stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Quantum computing, it's decent, $16.70 with a 4.7% correction. This is how my chart's looking like. And honestly speaking, I'm still very open-minded to taking it further up and buying. Now, to break it down more to you, before I get into these details, I'm the only guy in the space for context that has actually done and documented 42,000 videos. It's taken me 5 years. It's all on this YouTube channel, but at least, I've done it. And if I move back, you can see where it actually really all began. Right? At the time, it was $2.65, looking to take it to like above there. If there was a confirmation, 6 months back. Look, that was beautiful. You got 2 longs, then like 2 L's. And then here I've gotten a W here on the when it was $6. Another W here when it was like 14, took it to like 17. The only thing that will matter to me at least is if there is now one more shift here. If there is one more double break, then and only then I'm going to continue to buy, right? I'm saying one more $17.35 level break. And if that's not the case, I guess so be it, You can see even here I do have previous receipts with 14 results in the trade alert section, the Discord. But if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K when trading, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.